We have just received a buy signal on Bitcoin on the 1-day time frame here. And those of you that have been following us for a long time know that this is one of the most bullish signals you can possibly get. And that's not the only signal on this chart. Let me show you really quick every single bullish sign that we could possibly see for Bitcoin. I really do think this is going to be a short squeeze to the upside. I think anybody that took short trades at this level is about to lose a lot of money. So if you're one of those people, stay tuned for this so you can prepare yourself. And if you're not, be sure to watch because this could make you a lot of money soon. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Today, you're going to be trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. We're using the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder, support and resistance levels, breakout detector, and price versus money flow and trades in favor indicators. These are going to be some of the best indicators you can possibly have in your arsenal. And I'm not just going to talk about it. I'll show you in this video why that is. But first, let's dive into a couple patterns. Let me show you why I'm actually so bullish on Bitcoin right now. First, did you see this pattern right here? We're going to move this down right here. Find that other resistance. Let's form the support level right now. Boom. What you're seeing right here is called a falling wedge or a descending wedge pattern. This type of pattern is formed when you have a descending resistance, a descending support that eventually will both cross each other. Typically what this means is while we start out super volatile, over time the price continues dropping lower and lower. Volatility gets lower and lower as well, as you can see right here on the breakout detector. You can see this is another example of descending volatility. And as soon as we pushed into the breakout zone right here, it just happened a couple of days ago. This is typically where you're going to see some pretty intense moves. We're already getting a pretty sudden drop. Yesterday, we got a crazy drop and pump back up. However, as we do fall to this level, I want everyone to be paying attention to the structure support. With this buy signal, I think we're going to see some pretty significant moves up to retest right here the structure resistance before pumping back to the upside. These falling wedge patterns are bullish and typically will break out to the upside, and the closer you are to the peak of this move right here, the closer you are to this, the more likely you are to actually break out. You'll especially find this is true again on the breakout detector with the reading we have right now. With that, let me show you another reason I'm bullish. This right here is the price versus whale money flow. If you're new to crypto, you might not know this, but whales are the market makers. They have nearly unfathomable amounts of money in the market. The price of an asset will follow the money, so those that have the most money make this market. This is why we at Trade Confident follow whales. This price versus whale money flow indicator allows you to do just that. You need to be paying attention to this because this will help you win so many trades. Let me show you how accurate it actually is. As I drag the cursor across the screen, you'll notice it down on the price versus whale money flow as well. You can see right here, right at this peak, we got a price top, and at the same time, price versus whale money flow was high. After that, while we did see some volatility, the trend continued downwards, and this was because whale money was actually overbought. They're very likely at that point to begin moving money out of the market, which was indicated by the green line moving down. This indicator called this drop perfectly. Now you'll notice something similar on the trades in favor right here. Up here, that we were in the short trade zone, highly likely to see short trades after we pushed into that area. You'll notice the cursor is right in that same spot as it is on the price versus whale money flow and the top of this falling wedge pattern. From there, the momentum dropped and dropped and dropped until we fell into the long trade zone where we've been for a couple of days, just now pushing out. You'll notice at this point when we reached into the long trade zone, when price versus whale money flow was very low on its chart, we tested structure support right here and saw a move up immediately. This just goes to show you, no matter what, if whales are oversold, you'll know with the price versus whale money flow. If we're likely to see a lot of long trades in the market, you'll know with the trades in favor. It is crucial that you be paying attention to these indicators, especially as we're about to break out to the upside. Now throw a buy signal into that. Holy moly, this is the money making signal. When you see price versus whale money flow low here, when you see trades in favor low, when you see a buy signal, this is typically where we're seeing significant moves to the upside. And right now, I already know what you're saying, but Jake, this is a bearish candle. How could you possibly say we're bullish? Just wait, this is really what I'm planning on seeing. You saw the structure support tested multiple times. Every time it bounces up straight back to this resistance. And again, the closer and closer we get to the apex of this wedge pattern, the more and more likely we are to break out to the upside because again, This is a bullish pattern. A lot of people at this level were really expecting a drop. They put in their short trades, and a lot of short traders are actually losing out because of that. The higher we go, the more and more likely it is for those short trades to be liquidated. And when they are, it just takes away from the downwards pressure and pushes money back into Bitcoin. It allows the price to absolutely skyrocket. So you have my reasonings of why I think Bitcoin is going up. At this point, let's talk about the targets. At this point, I'm going to take away the TC top and bottom finder and load up the support and resistance levels. What you're seeing is a large cluster of resistance levels right in this area around $31,500. Personally, I'm thinking the middle ground right here, $31,000, we'll just call that an even $31,500 is my target for the upside move. If the price pumps, if we break above that, that's going to be my first target. And personally, as I'll show you in just a second, I think it could actually go higher. Not even in just a second. Let me show you right now. We're actually going to turn the TC top and bottom finder back on. Let's scroll out. Let me turn the chart on auto real quick so it makes it easier to see. There's been several pumps in Bitcoin over its recent history in 2023. I just want to show you a couple things right here. Strong buy signal, pump to the upside. Buy signal right here at the very bottom, pump to the upside. And of course, there were smaller buy signals right about here, each one with their own small moves up. Each of these at their peak formed a higher high, continuing the uptrend for Bitcoin. And personally, I'm bullish. I think it's going to continue. I think this buy signal, and if not this one, the next one is going to result in the next higher high in Bitcoin. But we do have to pay attention to the structure resistances right here first. We have to break out above those before we can really form that higher high. Again, let me write it out for you. $31,500 right here. As this happens, you need to be paying attention to these indicators, especially right here, the price versus well money flow and trades in favor. They are crucial for your trades. You need to be paying attention to the TC top and bottom finder as well, because this is going to signal the pumps right here. You're going to be able to watch well money, what they're doing, spy on the market makers. If you can't beat them, join them. You know how that is. And you need to be paying attention to the trades in favor. Absolutely insane indicators. Right here, we are currently 59 wins, 0 losses, and we actually have these indicators to thank for that. Let me take you to the trade calls real quick and show you the performance record. Boom, at this link. As you can see, we are currently beating the S&P 500 by 2,360% year over year based on its average 10% yearly return. We've been trading for 161 days, and in that time have managed to call it a combined total of 236% profit. Absolutely crazy what we've been able to accomplish for our members over at our membership. Now, if you want these indicators, you're actually going to want to sign up for this membership as well. I want you guys to be able to save as much money as you can for your trade. So what you're going to do is check out the links in the description down below. Click show more, and what you're going to do is click on the membership link first. You're going to sign up for the full access, $59 a month. It gets you absolutely insane benefits, but the main one we're focusing on right now is $450 off total coupons. Click subscribe now, join that, and then you're going to head back over right here to this page. You're going to click on the Get Indicators link. It'll bring you to our Pro Indicator page. Once you have your membership, click this access coupon code. You're going to get $150 off this Pro Indicator pack. Don't worry, your full savings are coming later. It's actually cheaper to buy the indicators with the membership right here, $150 off than it is for non-members. You only get $50 off with that, so grab your membership for that extra discount. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this right here. It'll take you to the checkout page. What you're going to want to do is fill out all of your information here, click pay, and it's actually going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder, our flagship indicator, for $400 off. Click add to cart, and you'll get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators here at a massive discount. From there, once your indicators are loaded up on your chart, you're looking for price versus well money flow to be a little bit lower. You're looking for trades in favor. It's already bullish with a 53% chance of a pump, but ideally I'd like to see it a little bit lower as we retest the structure support. It looks like we may do that today before we then pump and actually break out of this rising wedge pattern, causing a short squeeze, a bear trap, if you will, and liquidating all of these short traders in favor of our long traders. With that, I just want to thank everyone for watching. Be sure to snag the indicators down below if you want them. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and we'll see you in the next video.